Hey guys, Nate Rose here, founder of the Legacy Warrior Legion. I wanted to give you a quick walkthrough and a welcome of everything that you're going to get in this amazing brotherhood community that I created. I look forward to meeting all of you and helping you grow as a man of faith, of discipline, of passion, of desire and purpose. And let's just start right through it. And I'm going to share my screen and I'm going to walk you through kind of where to start and then everything that's involved in what you're going to get inside of this Legacy Warrior Legion. Okay, so here's just the community page. So when you get on here, obviously, I want you to introduce yourself to everybody. Tell us where you're from, your name, what you do, and what you're looking to accomplish so that we can help aid you and help coach you to get there. Okay, so definitely want to read this message right here. Welcome, and then introduce yourself in this section here. And then I'll go over some other things on here on what the announcements, everything I'm be posting, the wins of people, winning in life and business and health and weight loss. Here's some nutrition, supplementation. I'll be going over some of this stuff. But this is where you're going to start. Obviously, when you click on this one, I want you to introduce yourself, watch this quick little short video and then introduce yourself to the community. Okay. That's going to be the first thing we're going to start with. Close this off. And then after you do that, let's walk through the classroom. All right. Here's everything you're going to get. So you're going to start in the upper left hand corner with the foundation. Okay. Start here. You're watching this video right here where it says start here is going to be the video that you're watching. As soon as I get done updating this, that will be the start here video that I'll be walking you through. Okay. And then after that, after you watch module one, which you're doing right now by clicking on this, you're going to go through module two. So what I created is a blueprint for the body. Okay. I use this system to help win my pro card at 40 years old. And I've put it into a sound program that you can follow absolutely for free. I sell this program for $997, almost $1,000 that you're going to get. And I'm handing it to you. And that's what these modules are all starting with. It's starting with module one, which is what you're watching right now. I'll be posting that video in here so that you guys can see this is kind of where I want you to start. Follow the guidelines here, download the rules so that we're going to live by. And then you're going to go to module two. And it just talks about building a very, very strong foundation in regards to building your body and building your temple. Okay, we got one body. We want to make sure we take care of it so that we can take care of ourselves, our family, our friends, and our loved ones. Okay. And this just talks about manifestation, visualization, meditation. This is the System 7 action plan. So you're going to start here with your foundation of building, again, a strong foundation that we can grow and build upon. All right. And then why diets don't work, following a system. Okay, that's where you're going to start, is right there on the foundation. Okay, and then I have a whole section in here for warm-ups, mobility, reducing pain, from full body to lower body to sciatic pain relief and foam rolling. Things that I've been working with over 20-year career as a fitness professional, helping everyone from student athletes who are in high school, going into college, and going into military academies and to men and women in their 70s, 60s, and some in their 80s. Okay, so these work for everybody, but feel free to follow along. You can just click on one of these upper body mobility stretches. It's a 5 minute. You're there. This is my full body warm up. This one's 4 minutes. This is my favorite 5 minute warm up and mobility that I do prior to any kind of exercise. Okay. And again, it's a 5 minute warm up, but you can do this on every single day. Definitely going to help you move around without pain. Okay. That's in there. Next thing is the 16-week 30-minute boot camps that I recorded. And yes, sometimes you're going to see my daughter in there. And I recommend that if you're a beginner in regards to working out and you want to start getting in shape, this is probably the best way. It doesn't require any equipment, hardly any space. If you're a traveling entrepreneur, you can do this in your hotel room, or you can bring this, upload it, and bring it down to the gym. You don't, like I said, you don't need a lot of space or any equipment. And it's a live boot camp that I did with people on there and I'm doing it with them so they can see me. This was all filmed during the shutdown in my home, And as you can see it, and then how I recommend you do this is 2 to 3 week one, you do this workout 2 to 3 times a week, depending on your fitness level. Then you go to week two, you do that one 2 to 3 times a week. They're all different, similar but different, and they're all full body weight 30-minute boot camp. So you get in, you get done, and you're good. You go on with your day. You see 31 minutes, and that's for me explaining what we're doing, including a warm up, 32 minutes. This is my Cinco de Mayo one that I wore just because of my colors, 34 minutes. In your case, this is 16 full 30-minute boot camps that have been recorded that I do right there with you. Okay. So 16 free workouts right there, all of them 30 minutes. Now, this is where we go into my Ripped Warrior sculpting system. And this is the system that I used and I created, that I used to win my pro card at 40 years old. And I designed it specifically to do two things: to create physique transformations, to change your body, change your physique from how it looks right now, and to increase and improve athletic performance. So it's not just to help you look better, but also help you perform better. I designed it specifically for this way. And you want to start right here with module one. Before you do any of the workouts, you got to go through all these. You got to watch module one. It's only 8 minutes. Okay. Module two, it's a 17-minute, basically creating that warrior mindset, what you're going to need in order to maintain the results that you're going to get with this program. This is how to do the workouts. This one's very important because I'm instructing you how to do the workouts in the videos, but this is how you set it all up. The philosophy behind it. It's 18 minutes. You can watch it in a 2x speed or 1.5x speed to save some time, but it's very, very specific on how I created it, why I created it, and how to do them. And then nutrition is probably the longest one. Well, it's not. It says 12 minutes. I've done another one that's probably 37 minutes that you're going to see actually in the foundation section. Okay. This is just a kind of brief overview of what is a protein, carb, and a fat, and what you need to do in order to change your physique. So let me show you really quick what the workout looks like. All right. I'm going to click play here so you can kind of get an idea. I'm teaching you how to do it step by step and showing you exactly, like, if I'm there with you as your personal trainer, how to do the exercise properly so you do not get injured. This is not a play and workout with you. This is, I want you to learn how to do it and then go do it and not waste time. Okay. That's what this is all about. The first series of instructional videos that go along with the workouts that you purchase. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Back, pick it way up. Spread the speed a little wider, show it apart, or all the way down parallel. Back up, squeeze the glutes at the top. Make sure you're sitting back and down. Drive through the heels and squeeze those glutes, stick at chest out. Try not to round your back, cave in. Don't let your knees go over your toes. So sit back and down from the first position is back with the hips and drive through the heels. All right. Now this is your heavy and your compound movement. So this is the 8 to 10 repetitions. So 8 to 10 reps to make sure you're hitting. So again, it just basically, I walk you through how to do the exercises, teaches you step by step how to set it up, how to do them correctly so you're not going to get injured. This is a how-to video, but it talks about every single thing that you're going to need to do. I have very specific layout, and for you, this is push day, this is cardio and abs, but I don't teach you how to do the cardio. All I do is do the ab exercises, okay? And it's 6 minutes explaining that. This is your pull day, and the whole workout is designed and set up like this. Okay, another hit in cardio abs. So the abs are going to be the same on this one because it's the first month. So it's the same video. And then your full body blitz. This is to burn as many calories as possible, but also this is the athletic performance workout that you can do, and you can add in exercises that are going to help you perform at whatever it is that you do. Now, going back to leg day here, this is where you're going to see the workout log where that you can download, take with you, and complete it. Now, you want to track your workouts, your weights, your reps, your sets, your rest time, all of that, so that you actually get the results. And then after you do that, and I have it all laid out here for you, and I have an exercise substitution thing there. You're going to be able to that you'll have downloaded also already. It's all laid out for you. There's no guesswork here. I have the legend down here in case you don't know what some of the things are. So eliminating the guesswork. You just follow this plan and you are absolutely guaranteed to get results. If you do this workout, you absolutely will see results. I guarantee it. Because again, this is what I used to win my pro card at 40, and I only did it for 8 weeks. I didn't even do the full 3 months of workouts. Okay. And after week two, I'm sorry, month one, you're going to go to month two. And on this one, you're going to have different exercises and a different workout spreadsheet that you can download, print, and do. I highly recommend you print it off. It's not an app because, again, I believe in old school. This is so much faster than going on there and trying to fill this stuff in on an app. This is so much quicker. You print it off, you boom, you write it down. It takes 2 seconds as opposed to trying to find it on the app. Plus, you can watch the video of me doing it to teaching you how to do it correctly rather than going in an app and logging in information. I just think it's a waste of time. And I believe in efficiency and speed. And that's why I have it printed. And then, of course, month three, same thing. You're going to have brand new workouts and a brand new spreadsheet for you to download. Okay. That is the ripped, I call it the ripped Marine. I've changed it a couple times, but that's that system. It's a 90-day workout plan. The next section in here is make money online. So this is how I'm going to teach you how to make money online using print on demand. I create a free store for you. So there's no upfront cost, zero purchasing of inventory. I teach you exactly how to do it. This is a quick video I filmed on the market projections of what is going to happen in print on demand. You can see this is the shirt I made from Made for Trainers with the flag on it. And this is our entrepreneur's creed that we have here on the back of these shirts. You can see no rich parents, no handouts, no favors, true grit, 24/7, 365. So every day. Anyway, print on demand basics. I will teach you exactly how to do it, that you can actually start building and creating a brand and selling customized merchandise right away and start making money without any overhead or upfront cost. Okay. That's how to make money online. That's just one of the things that I do. These were the legacy words your Legion calls are going to be. Once we have those, they're going to be recorded and in there. This is Elite Body Blueprint podcast that I did with a Jill Nicolini in New York. We only did 5 episodes, but they're all right here for you. Feel free to listen to those. They're also on Spotify as well. And here are some bonuses for you. In this section, I have deck of card workouts that I created. This one was several years ago um, that I did here at the house. What? Really? Huh. Okay. I just added this one in here for some reason, but I guess I already added that one in there. And this is a Hawaii special deck of cards that I filmed in Hawaii. It started raining on us. It was actually pretty fun. My daughter's there in the background. I have a PDF right here that you can download. Anyway, this deck of cards body weight workout with no equipment. This is the Entrepreneur's Edition right here. I wrote it all out for you, teach exactly how to do it, how to set it up. Here are the rules, and you can actually use your own. But I just recorded this one in my garage. It says 58 minutes, but because it's not that long, it's actually only, I want to say it's 37 to 40-minute workout, but then I did about 15 minutes of stretching at the end. So feel free to watch this. Absolutely incredible bonus. And it just kicked my butt and I burned 500 calories doing this actually workout. I decided to do a brand new deck of cards body weight workouts. Oh, yeah, and I did a warm up as well. And they still want to get a workout in. So here we go. Oh, you kidding me? The Joker starts off. Okay. That was a very, very first crash course in the 12 count bodybuilder. Oh man, yeah, that was an ass kicker. 12 count bodybuilder that I was taught before I went to the Marine Corps boot camp. Just two, okay? So it's like this. It's a burpee, 2 push-ups, 2 kickouts, stand up. Okay, so it looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 1. And yeah, that's the bonuses. So in here in the calendar is gonna where we're gonna have all of our events that we have. My hope is that we're gonna be having some really cool events as we grow this group of the community where we're meeting either online or in person. Our 12 p.m. is our Legacy Warrior call that I'm gonna be interviewing entrepreneurs, business people, um, and just some people that are really gonna help inspire you to become better. Okay, this is the member section where you can look at all the members. A map is the location of where all our members are. This leaderboard is for people who are, as you actually progress through here. I have this as ranks in the Marine Corps, which I thought was actually pretty clever. Um, and this, of course, is the about section of the Legacy Warrior Legion, what it is, what it stands for, and I'll be putting this video up in here as well. So that's pretty much it. Um, I look forward to seeing you guys. Feel free to ask any questions. I want this community to grow and it's free. Okay. I'm not charging for any of this stuff. I'm just kind of giving back my knowledge because I believe that there really needs to be now more than ever. I truly believe that strong men are needed and there's no such thing as toxic masculinity. And don't you ever be worried about what people think of you, and there's nothing wrong with you being a man. Okay. That's why I created this warrior, legacy warrior legion, is because that's what I believe. We need strong men. Strong men need to stand up and be okay with standing up and saying, you know what, I'm a man and here I am, and this is gonna be. There's nothing wrong with that. All right. I'll see you guys in the inside.